dito talaga kayo.
So, ayan guys. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo yung full, OOTD. Pag nakababa na tayo. So, pupunta na kami dun ngayon sa venue ng event. And, ganda-gandaan naman ako today. So, mamaya guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung sino yung mga kasama natin. Pagbaba natin. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys yung full OOTD natin. Kasi, ang hirap kasi pakita dito kasi nakaupo tayo. Tsaka, hindi pa ako nag-heels. Mamaya na lang pagbaba natin. Alam nyo ba guys, kanina yung pinakita kong clip, yung kasama ko si Jeniel tsaka si Mark. 6 AM yun guys. Parang 5:30 pa lang gising na ako kaagad. Ganun kaaga yung prep ko. Tapos, yung mga makeup artist guys, yung glam team ko, talagang aga rin nila dumating. Tapos, wala pa akong tulog guys kasi kahapon, galing pa kami event din ng basketball league. Yung Motivated 3x3 din, pero yung sa Brusco Kids yun. So, congrats nga pala guys sa Brusco Kids, ayan. Lalo kay Jarins guys, kasi MVP siya, ayan. Sobrang proud kami sa inyong lahat. So, yun nga, puyat pa kami kagabi dahil nagpunta kami ng Starbucks nung gabi. Tapos, nakauwi kami pa siguro mga alauna na, ganun. Pero tignan nyo naman. Hindi naman mukhang puyat, diba?
Inside, no good. Good defense. Tang sa loob, just good ha. Third attempt, wala ito, pinasa. Slow mo doon, medyo wala yan.
And swatted away over one of our Brusco brothers. Hesitation, inside layup. No good.
May foul na.
Taking 1 point lead. And swatted away by one of our team Kentucky. Brusco brothers ball. Boston Jonas versus Boscons. And a two-point attempt. Pass to inside. Oh, wow.
Doggy, popostihan niya si Jordan. Power move. Nakagawan. Foul.
And it's a foul.
Guys, pinalate dito.
Boscona, Kobe na.
16-14. Brusco Brothers. And we have only 2 minutes.
So waiting kami guys. After ito, sila na ulit.
Player of the game, Master TV with 10 points. So, what was your mindset during the last second shot, sir?
Brusco on the attack.
Let's
Jordan
go,
with the ball.
Brusco!
Line sila 4-2.
Nice!
Ng Cavite showing why he scored Kobe ng Cavite as he drills that long distance shot. 3-0 start there for Brusco.
Normal.
3-0 na. Right now, shift again di pa sila nakaka-score dito. And finally, did not want to drop.
Galing, galing!
Ito naman po ang ating
Galing,
face of the
magaling!
game.
Okay guys, panalo ulit, panalo!
Dominating and finally, they will get their first win.
Guys, game na ulit, game na ulit! Yes! Go, go, go! Pasok mo kasi sa bago yung wala! Ayan guys, awarding pala nila Jarins ng Brusco Kids kahapon. Uy, ano yan ang aga? Ang aga naman! Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Guys, delivery ako nila set ng fries. Thank you so much, Baby Choco. Huwag mo kami tubig.
Tayo mo, Kim!
Game na ulit.
Fast move by Rico, but do or die between these two teams. Here's Super Jerry, beginning Eman, back to Jerry.
Potek.
Jerry almost loses it to Eman. Eman pushing it, and the shot clock expires. And here we go, Eman. Super Jerry. 1 point to Super Jericho. Super Jerry scores the first point of the game. Trying for 2. No good. Here we go.
In 53.
Back to Gabriel.
Shit, ayun na yung score.
And they only have 1 minute and 53 seconds left. Got like 6 seconds here. For the Rose.
Go mal!
Open the door. Let it down. But nothing but it. Ball has gone. Ay, Boscona. Sabi Boscona. Ito sa ito. Gustong ipalapit pa Cavite. Sabi ka ni Boscona.
Home. Boscona and Brusco.
Only 39 seconds left. Defending. Oh, 2 balls on double play. 7 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And
kami. Ano oras na? 8:52 PM na guys. Nantok na kami, mga lungkot na kami.
Talagang hype na hype. What a good for all the fans.
Nagkakaalaman din kung andino ba ang Etivac.
Ito. Ang matatalo pala dito, partner, lilipat na.
Sa championship game.
Lilipat na sa ibang city. Yun pala yung posta. Also here we have Jonah, who is Eman and Super J.
Yun?
First point for Jonah in the morning. With the result of 2 free throws for Ice Wheeler now down.
This is it, Utol. Ito na ang pinaka-inaantay ng lahat. Brusco Brothers with Boss Jonah and Team Doggy and pumasok sa...
Ladies and gentlemen, let us call Team Brusco Brothers! First, let us call on Glendon Villahir! Also, let us call on Anak Ni Babalu! Also, we got Boys Evan. Also, let us call on Dario. Also, we got the big Super Jerry. And ladies and gentlemen, needing no introduction, the pride of Cavite. Ladies and gentlemen, ang tuwi ng Cavite, Boss Jonah!
For the championship round, Team Doggy versus Team Brusco Brothers, and alam nyo na yan, it's game time!
Boss Doggy versus Jonah. Foul agad. Early foul committed. Ay, mukhang may injury agad. I think that's some sort of cramming siguro because of fatigue.
Yeah, of course, si Bossing Jonah kanina for the early game. Correct. And kanina, nag-Chinese get up pa yan si Boss Jonah. Still making a statement here. Sabi nga ni Boss Jonah, Mamba mentality. NCD. Grabe.
2-point shot. Jared with a rebound.